In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Canva account. Whether you're on a computer or mobile browser, I'll walk you through each sign-in option so you can get to your designs quickly and securely. We'll keep it simple, point out what you'll see on the screen, and share a few helpful tips along the way. First, open your web browser and go to www.canva.com. Type the address directly into the address bar at the top of your browser and press enter. On the Canva homepage, look toward the top right corner and click the Login button. If you're on a smaller screen or mobile device, you might need to tap the menu icon first, then select Login from the menu. You'll now see several ways to sign in. If you choose Continue with email, enter your email address and click Continue. Canva will send a verification code to that inbox. Open your email in a new tab or app, find the message from Canva, and copy the code. If it's not in your main inbox, check your promotions or spam folders. Back on Canva, paste or type in the code to complete the login. If the code doesn't arrive after a short wait, use the resend option. Make sure you're using the same email address you created your Canva account with, as using a different one can lead to a new, empty account. If you'd rather not use email, you can select Continue with Google, Facebook, Apple, or Microsoft. After you choose one, a small window may prompt you to sign into that service or confirm that you want to allow access. This is a standard, secure process that shares only the basic details needed to sign you in. If you have multiple Google or Microsoft accounts, pick the one you originally used with Canva to avoid confusion. If you're already signed into that service in your browser, the login might complete automatically. If you signed up through another provider, look for an option that says Log in or Continue with and select the service you used when you created your account. The steps are similar: choose the provider, confirm your access, and you'll be brought back to Canva. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Canva dashboard. From here, you can start a new design, open recent projects, and access your folders and brand assets. If the page doesn't update right away, give it a moment or refresh. And if you're on a shared or public computer, remember to log out when you're done for safety. That's it. Enjoy creating, and thanks for watching.